Okay, guys. Section 1.5, it says translating sentences into equations. And the key thing with equations is it has to have an equal sign. Now, yesterday we were talking about translating verbal models into expressions. An equation is two equal expressions. So we're going to have two expressions with an is somewhere in the middle. And the mathematical symbol for is an equal sign. All right? Thank you, Miles. Now, not necessarily any key terms this time, but you know what? Yeah, I guess there is a little bit. Equation. Equation always has an equal sign. Period. It does. Okay? We can only solve something that has an equal sign. Other things we just simplify. Expressions we simplify. We can evaluate by plugging in and simplifying. But if we're solving something, it has to be an equation or an inequality. Okay? Now, and it's two equal expressions. It's an expression, one expression equals another expression. Beautiful. Okay? Example 1 says, twice the sum of a number and 4 is 10. Okay? Now, it says twice something. What does that mean, Gordy? Two times something. Right? I'm just putting my parentheses up there. I don't know what goes in there. It could be 4. It could be 12. It could be negative 13. All right? But it says twice the sum of a number and 4. So that means a number and 4. So it's a quantity. I am doubling the sum of a number and 4. So I have to add them first before I can double them. Okay? So I keep them as a quantity with parentheses. And then, what's this word mean for me, Jumba? Just circled it. What's it mean? It means equals. Thank you. And I can write 10 down there myself. Now, this example didn't say to solve, but can you look at it and tell me what it is? Can you just look at it and tell me what it is? What does x equal, Kern? 1, right? Because I know it needs to be 2 times 5 to get 10. And to make the stuff inside these parentheses 5, x has to be 1, right? Okay. Do you see that I could also, it didn't ask me to do this. It didn't ask me to do this. But I have two things being multiplied, the 2 times the quantity, right? So I could divide both sides by 2. That cancels. And I'm going to get x plus 4 is equal to 5. Right? And then I can just subtract the 4. And I'm going to get x is equal to 1. We could do it that way. But this was an easy one for us just to look at. Right? And tell what it had to be. Sometimes they get a little more complicated than that. All right? Question, Jimba. You got it? You got it? Good. Jackson, yes, sir.
Can we just go, well, never mind, you're doing video right
No, it's a, what do you got?
now. I was just going to ask if we could go over what the meaning is for sum, quotient, all
Good.
of those.
Hey, guys, we got 4 words for operators. And we just need to keep these in our head because when we're looking at sentences, they're not going to give us those symbols for the operators. So we need to know what their words are. Sum, difference, product, and a quotient. It's all about vocabulary, isn't it, Miss Thaler?
Yes.
It's all about vocabulary. Sum, what is it? Raise your hand. Miles. Addition. Okay. Difference, what is it, Benny? Subtraction. Good. Product, Gordy.
Multiplication.
You got it. And what's the quotient, Chris? Division. Look, they even give us a little fraction sign. Right? Does that make sense? Is that good with you back there, Jackson?
Yes, thank you.
Well done.